middle part because I have a middle part closure, and I'm just gonna slide the closure on. I just braid everything back. As you can come back here and see, all the braids are up, and also this up as well. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and have my needle for the knot at the end.
Big hands on the 12. She should be here, okay?
And I just go ahead and I sew around.
You hold on to this, and I'll try to be back here as soon as I can, okay?
Okay.
When I sew, I go down and I go under the hair and I come out, and you see how this thread is wrapped around the thread with the needle. That creates that loop form. And then you go with this side of the thread, not the part that's with the needle, as you can see here, and you go around. And I go 2 times, just 2 here. Sometimes you can go more and more for more security, and it gives you that looped. If you can come right here, you see how it has a line and it's looped. That's how you get that. So I'm just gonna go all the way around. Okay, next you're gonna just lift the frontal from this part, take a little bit of the lace and through under the braid and pull that down. Now continue to do that. Make sure that you're getting enough of that lace so the lace does not rip. What are you saying all for?
Because she was dancing with her day.
Okay, and this long piece over here, I really do the same thing, but I get a little bit less because I'm gonna eventually most likely fold it under. And I'm gonna fold it and I'm gonna take a little bit of the edge plus some new, take it and put it into the braid. Or you can just cut it, but I don't want to cut it, so I'll fold. And make sure you go in and knot the frontal, closure. Right. And then I go through right here. And that's the end of that part.
Really?
What?
You want me to tell you done?
Okay, turn around. Let me see. Oh, okay. Pose in the front.